Okay, we got this one. Finally got this. The second one is wired a little differently on the little PCB, so it took me a while to figure out which PIR was connected to what and to get it straightened out right. So we'll just stick that there. And the center one is hooked to the green light. The two, the left and the right PIR, are connected to a red LED. So. There we go. This is going to work perfect. Yeah, this is what it originally looked like. Well, obviously it's taken apart, but this is what the case looks like. So what I did was I cut it into 3 pieces. Took one section out so I have a lens for the camera and one for the LED array. And that's going to get mounted to the top of a case, basically on the front. And then the bottom, where the PIRs were, this one, they're on the top. So as I cut that off, obviously you can tell from that, I took that part and it's going to get turned over because the mounting inside still works whether the board's right side up or upside down. So then I'll have that for the bottom of the case for right here, and I'll just use some PVC to make a cover in the middle, basically. So that really there's only going to be one slot cut out here to access the PIRs, and then up here at the top where the camera is going to sit on a servo to go back and forth with the PIRs. But anyways, that should work pretty good, I think. It'd be easier than trying to build one, because I originally started to use an aluminum housing, which was quite large for my original Project 3 eyes, but since I never did finish it, I've tried to figure out other ways of doing it for years, and so this ends up working out perfect. And thanks to whoever ripped off TC Scout's camera idea. Alright, anyways, this is basically what it'll look like with the PIR section. I'm going to mount to the bottom of the case instead of the top like it is on the commercial cam, and then put that at the top. So anyways, it should work pretty good.